Smells so good.
Hello. Welcome back to episode 2 for our delightful version, quick, easy, simple walnut basil pesto. And
Champagne margarita.
because you just can't use enough champagne. It's impossible, really.
If you have it, you gotta drink it.
This is true. And also basil because it's summer and we have a lot of basil.
If you smelled this basil, you would understand.
So,
Episode 2!
So, first thing we're gonna do for walnut basil pesto is we're going to just toast these lightly. I don't like them super toasted, although I have a tendency to forget they're in the oven and really toast the shit out of them. So we're just going to pop these in the oven, and then Kate is going to make a beverage.
I am.
Little tray, little parchment paper, walnuts. Zhuzh them up a little bit if you'd like. Oven. 350. 10 minutes maybe. Just make sure you don't forget about them. Set a timer if you have to.
Today I'm serving a champagne margarita. Did you think champagne could get any better? Did you think a margarita could get any better? Well, when you combine the two, you're gonna be surprised. It's pretty tasty. So to start, I'm gonna juice the limes because that's the way you should roll. This recipe calls for 2 parts reposado tequila, 1.5 parts or 1 part lime juice, and 1 part bouchon, which is an orange liqueur, kind of like a Grand Marnier. So if you're used to ordering a Cadillac margarita in a bar, this is going to be close to that. Except better because the tequila I'm using is a top shelf by Casamigos, which used to be owned by George Clooney's Tequila Empire, and now it was owned by another larger company, and it's still a wonderful same product. Cocktail shaker. There's this guy on YouTube, I think it's called This Is How to Drink. He suggests using 1 big cube and smaller cubes to break it up, and I find that to be a beautiful application when shaking a margarita. So I'm gonna make 2 at the same time. We're shaking this margarita because they're better shaken, in my opinion. All right, so we have a reposado tequila. We also have an añejo here, which we may move toward as we get drinking. All right, so 2 parts.
Stop. I'm so sorry, the walnuts.
Some people are like, why would you use such a nice tequila in your margarita? Well, if you really like tequila, that's why. And that person would be me. 2 parts. Since we're making 2, this is gonna be a shaker full of love. 1.5 part lime juice. Let's see how this works. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to quick juice another one here. Save your lime bits for the rim, which we will salt. Alright, so here is, and I'm straining this because I don't like having the bits in there. Okay. And lastly, not lastly, but for the shaking part, 1 part bouchon, but since we're doing 2 drinks, it's 2 parts. Alright. Break it. Don't mess around. It's blowing up, so I have to stop. It's salt. We're gonna do a half rim. Now leave a little bit of room for that champagne. Whew. My showmate, I'd love to share this drink with you.
Sweet. Wow.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Tell me what you think.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. Like truly, and I love tequila.
This tequila has a nice vanilla flavor to it. And I think the salt, I love the salt in the rim.
Bouchon, it's like, that's making it.
It's really a beautiful orange flavor. It's like oranges from France oranges. It's like the Mediterranean orange.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Delicious. Totally do this.
So
It's
that's
worth
how
it.
you make that.
Deep
but-
Steak Dave needs one. I believe he's actually snoring on the couch at the moment.
Well,
Dave's sleeping. He's snoring. So
that's
cute.
good.
So anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this basil off. We're gonna wash it, and we're gonna make pesto. You ready?
Yeah. Hey, little guy.
Who do you have, friend?
Ah.
Friend?
Now he lives in our house. Oh, there you go.
What?
Hello.
Oh, hey, Spider. What's up? Okay. I'm gonna wash it up. So
Yeah.
Kate's picking them. Pick.
I get the little leaves. I mean, you don't want everything.
You don't want to waste it. She's more efficient than I am.
Oh.
We are gonna dry this out a wee bit just because we don't want it sopping wet basil. How do you work this thing? I can't dance, I'm not gonna do. But I feel good about watching you do that.
I mean, you know, it's
No, that's good. That's good. You want it dry because you don't want to like get it. You don't want your pesto full of water. We have this. We have our walnuts. So what we're going to do is we're going to just in the food processor we're going to put together this and the salt and the olive oil because that's pretty much what I use. I do not get super crazy. Or you can do whatever you want. You can get super crazy.
Yeah.
Like I don't care. Whatever you want to do is fine.
We would never stop you from getting super crazy.
No, never, ever. That's
Ever.
like, yeah.
Trust
I have
me.
a tattoo of
Trust
that,
us.
but I can't show you. Okay, let me get this other thing on. All right, so we're gonna, water's almost boiling. We're gonna throw a little salt in because you need a little salt when you cook pasta. Put the lid back on because you want to keep the heat in. Okay. So I'm gonna put my garlic in the food processor. I usually use 2 cloves, so we're gonna be using, this is approximately 4 cups of packed basil leaves. And we're gonna use about 1 cup of the toasted walnuts. But first, about 10 minutes or so before I add walnuts or the basil, and I take 1 lemon. So I have 1 lemon. So we have 1 lemon. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna juice this into with the garlic. What this does, mellows the flavor of the garlic out a little bit. Ah! Okay, good, I need these seeds. All right, cool. And this doodah, which isn't mine, but I'm gonna try to work it. Oh! Ready in 11 minutes. All right, so we have our garlic has been sitting quietly. So we're gonna split it into 2, because this is small. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna split this into 2 rounds. walnuts and pesto. And we'll mix it up then. I know all the garlic and the lemon juice is in this one round. But we will put it in, and we need a little bit of, well, we don't need a little bit, we need a lot of. Let's just be honest about it. Come on in, Kate. Kate's getting DS Dave's beverage. So we have walnut, pesto, pasta, parmesan, delightfulness. So we're gonna add some of this good stuff. It seems to, it's all right, it'll be fine, don't worry about it. If you add enough olive oil to literally anything, it's fine. You can add olive oil to your life, to your marriage, to your job, to your kids, to your pets. And for some reason, it always works out. I am, however, going to get another spoon. This will sort your ass out. Okay, so there it be. All right, so I need bowl type things. Kate, my friend Kate.
Oh, it smells so good. I'm telling you, this smells amazing.
Yeah, this basil is just like knocks your pants right off. Awesome.
And I don't even need pants. Who does?
Well, you know, pants, you know, when eating this dish, pants are in fact optional. Dave, do you have pants on?
Shorts.
Shorts. Jorts, but not jorts.
They don't really count.
Shorts. Not jorts. Isn't jorts? What are jorts, Ken?
Jean shorts are beautiful. I love jorts.
But
like,
jorts are hemmed, not unhemmed. Like jean.
I like a cut off jort on a dude.
Yeah, but it has to be cut off. It can't be hemmed though, because hemmed is different than unhemmed, right?
I don't know. We're gonna think about it.
We're not gonna think about it. We're not gonna think about it. Parmesan on top of this here pasta. However much. And if you want to keep it vegan, add some yeast flakes. Delicious also. One thing I eat all the time is popcorn with olive oil, smoked sea salt, and yeast flakes, and it's delicious.
Can I do something?
Yeah, help it, knock yourself out. Oh, Kate is garnishing with some walnuts. Toasted walnuts. Okay, so quick, easy basil walnut pasta. Super simple. Make a ton of it, put it in the refrigerator. Everybody can eat it through the week. Mmm. That's good.
This really lets the walnuts really let the basil like sing.
It's actually better than I made it the other, because I ran a test run, and this is actually better. I don't know why, but. Mmm. 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 So now we're gonna taste it with margarita.
That'll do.
That's good.
I'm just
That's like no
done.
bullshit.
Thank you for joining us for episode 2 of Cashew Cream. We enjoyed a walnut basil pesto with a champagne margarita, and I'm telling you, it's worth every single second.
See you next time on the interwebs.
Looking forward to it.
Bye.